Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Grookey. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the snout. Let's start with a large oval. And then inside at the top, let's draw two angled lines for the nostrils and a curve at the bottom for the mouth. Next, let's hop out and let's draw an oval on both sides for the eyes. Now inside each eye, let's draw a large oval on the inside corner. And then one more inside. Next, we're going to draw the pattern around the eyes. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw two curves up, meeting at a point. Then let's curve it out and around each of the eyes. Now that we're done the face, we can move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. And the same on the right side. Now on top, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And then curve it back in to the center. And then let's draw a V shape inside. Next, on both sides, let's draw two lines going outwards. And then a curve to close off the ends. Now we're going to hop down and draw the ears. On both sides, let's draw a curve out. And then curve it back in underneath. And then let's add one more curve inside at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then another set of curves on the inside. Now inside each of the arms, let's draw a curve across. Next, let's hop to the bottom and draw the hands. On the inside, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumbs. And then the next finger going out and up. Now let's draw three more curves to close off the hands. Now in between the arms here, let's draw a curve across for the belly. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve out and back in for the back legs. And then a small bump underneath. And then one more like this. Now lastly, for the body, let's add the tail. On the right side, next to the leg, let's draw a curve up and bring it up towards the head. Now let's curve it back around and in. And that's it for Grookey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!